Hi, today we will be presenting our image processing project titled Road Sign Detection. Our group members consist of three members, which is Akim Zakwan, Ana Samshah, and me, Muhammad Faiz. Here we go.
So first thing first is the problem background for our project, road sign recognition. So road sign recognition plays a very important role, especially in autonomous vehicles and advanced driver assistance system. This system rely on accurately detecting and interpreting road signs to ensure safe and smooth driving. So and also in Malaysia, our road signs are a bit different from other countries. We have a very unique designs, colors, and also languages, which mean we need a specific recognition methods that can understand and identify them correctly. So, if we depend only on manual observation, it can be slow and also lead to mistakes, especially when the driver is like tired or distracted. That's why we using image processing and automation can be very helpful. It can make road signs detection faster and also be more accurate and can be more reliable also. So next, the objective for our project is to build a system that can automatically recognize and identify Malaysian road signs. Uh, how we do this is by applying image process techniques such as image segmentation and morphological operation for effective detection. So what are the three main categories of road sign that we focus on is warning signs, which is usually have a yellow triangle, and construction signs, which are orange color, and mandatory or regulatory signs, which has a red or blue white symbol. And we will demonstrate our practical use of these theories learned in the image processing and pattern recognition course.
Our system starts with image acquisition. This is where we take in road sign image, which can be in different formats like JPEG or PNG. Next is pre-processing step. Here we change the image from color RGB to black and white, or what we call grayscale. This helps make the next steps easier and faster to process. Then come image segmentation. We use a method called auto thresholding. Don't worry about the name. It simply means the system tries to separate the road sign from the background automatically. It turns the image into black and white, making it easier to find just the right sign. After that, we apply morphological operations. This step improves the quality of the image, especially the shape of the road sign. It helps clean up small dots or holes, so we get a clear shape for analysis. Now comes the recognition part. We do two things here. First, we check the colors in the image using RGB and HSV color models. For example, yellow usually means a warning sign, orange for construction, and red or blue for important or mandatory sign. Second, we do shape analysis. We measure things like height, width, and overall shape to help us understand what kind of sign it is. Finally, we combine the color and shape information to guess what the sign it is. We also calculate a confidence score, which will tell us how sure the system is about the result. The score goes from 100% to 95%. The higher the number, the more confident the system is. So this is the program code with all the functions needed to recognize the sign category. Same goes to this. This is project code that will do all the function needed to recognize the sign category.
Okay, now for the output and result. It will display five kind of image. First is the original image. Second, it will show the grayscale conversion image. Next, it will show the binary segmentation, which is using also thresholding image, black and white, 1 and 0. Next, it will show the morphological processing image. And lastly, it will show the detected category classification of the sign. In this case, it shows that this berhenti sign is mandatory sign. In the comment window also, it will show the color analysis, what it analyzed from the sign, which is red is the most dominant one, and it will show the basic summary of the output. Now I will show you the demo. When we press run, it will ask for the input. For example, this berhenti sign. It will show this window with all the image and the detected category, which is mandatory sign. And in the comment window, it will show all the result summary. Next, we choose another sign. This is also a mandatory sign, which is one-way sign. It detects as mandatory sign. Next, we choose the warning sign, the yellow one. This is a warning sign. It will detect it as a warning sign because it is yellow and shaped like triangle. This is also a warning sign. And next, we choose the construction sign, awas. It is orange and it will detect it as a construction sign. And lastly, we choose this construction triangular sign. It's still detected as construction sign and also with high confidence. Thank you.
Okay, so lastly, the conclusion for our project. So we learned that how to use image processing to recognize road signs. We use color detections, shape analysis, and also filtering to help the system to understand the signs. And our system was able to detect signs like stop or end speed limits with about 80% accuracy. So one advantage of the system is that we think that it can help drivers or smart cars quickly know what road signs mean. And for the one disadvantage is that the system doesn't work well if the sign are partly blocked or seen from the side, from different angle, let's say. And for the big challenge that we faced during our project is it was finding good images of leisure road signs because we need to train and test the system. So lastly, for the future, we plan to improve the the system so that it can still recognize signs even if they are a bit blocked or hidden. So I think that's all. Thank you.